So I've just cut the viral bob haircut that I did, and I'm going to style it out for you. You can see it's just really nice and smooth. I want to put a bit of a curl in, and yeah, watch along and see if this inspires you into, or finding out how I use straighteners to put curl into hair. And then in each section, put the straighteners in, and then I'll just twist around away from that face, just to put in a soft bend. Again, in, twist, like that. And I don't go below the occipital bone. Reason for that, if that's curled, I'll put a little bit of texture into it. So I'd probably do something like that. But if you go underneath here, what you'll create is you'll create bulk, and it will kick out, and that's where you start to get a bit of a triangular looking shape. So we're just going to go above that, like that, and then we'll just melt that in together by using our fingers and thumbs. And again, another inch up, another inch section. And if you can tell, I don't rest the irons on the hair for that long. I don't put it in and clamp it. As soon as I put it on, I'm moving through the hair like that. And again, in, moving, and then just twisting. Putting in these nice little bends or waves into that hair. Again, in, moving, twisting, that bend. Let's do that one again. There we go, into that hair. Next section, last section on this side. Inch section. As soon as we go in, we're moving, bending, got that shape. Inch section again. As soon as we go in, we're moving and we're bending. Again, we're in, moving, twisting, creating that bend. And then last one on this side, super quick, in, bend. Oh, look at that. Last one didn't play ball. There, in, twist, create that bend. There we go. That's how I do this. I'm going to do the rest of the head, and then you'll be able to see. And I suppose one thing you do want to see is the back, because that's one of the troublesome areas that people struggle with. So we're going to go straight along the top. So basically just below that crown, and I'm not going to go anywhere but lower than that. And again, we want to be looking at bending away from the face. So here, we're going to bend away. We're in the middle, so it doesn't really matter where we go, but I'm just going to bend into there, pull it down. As if I'm pulling it, I'm flattening it. And then we're on this right hand side now, so I'm going to go in this way, twist, bend, pull it down to flatten. You can see how that flattens off there. Last one on this side, in, moving, flattening, twisting and pulling. That's put that through there. Here's our top section now. Let's get that right hand side out. So you can see probably 3 sections only here. So here, in, flatten off, pull. We don't want that to pop up. Here's all that back section. Middle section. So underneath, I went this way. This top one, I'm going to go that way, so there's a little bit of a mix. But straight in and straight moving. There, flattened off. And then the last one, we're working away from the face. We're going to go in and away, like that, just to flatten off. Now, this side, I'll do exactly the same as that side. soon as we're in, we're moving, we're twisting through there. And I'm using these straighteners today because my other ones have died on me. So I'm just waiting for them to get delivered. But there we go. That's that like that. Let's just style it out a little bit. I'm going to use that just to rake through, because I don't want a curl, I want more like a bend in a bob, just something like that, something a little bit textured, a little bit sexy. So there we go, guys, that is the technique done. That is how I curl hair with straightening irons. Just to give you that little bit of sexy sort of texture in those bobs, and where not to curl. You can see how flat that sits. If we'd have curled underneath, it'd have been sitting out like that, and we don't want that. We want it to be sitting nice and hugging that head, and then give you that beautiful shape. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, I would love to know in the comments down below. If you can't comment, smash that like button for me, hit the big red button, white button now, isn't it? Black button, subscribe button, whatever colour it is. If you hit the subscribe button for me, I appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.